Bharat Electronics Limited was founded in 1954 in collaboration with France. It was established to meet the Indian Defence Services need for electronics equipment. It is a government-owned aerospace and defence firm. It specializes in the production of advanced electronics for ground and aerospace applications. Dell invests 7.5% of its total revenue in research and development. This makes the company the highest R&D spender in the defense public sector undertaking PSU sector. Let us now take a look at the key financial ratio of Bharat Electronics Limited. Market cap 50,596 crore. EPS 10.7 rupees. ROCE 27.9%. Debt to equity 0. Stock P 19.4. ROE 19.9. Dividend yield 1.95. Total debt 0. Promoter holding 51.1. Next company is Bharat Earth Movers Limited, BEML. Is primary business in the manufacture of diverse variety of heavy earth moving equipment. It is also involved in the production of railway and metro coaches. The firm is also a leading manufacturer of defense equipment, supplying the Indian Army and other armed forces. Research and development consume 4% of the company's revenue. Let's take a look at Bharat Earth Movers Limited key financial ratio. Market cap 6,421 crore. EPS 36.7. ROCE 4.55%. Debt to equity 0.34. Stock P 41.9. ROE 3.08%. Dividend yield 0.39%. Total debt 728 crore. Promoter holding 54%. Solar Industries Limited. Solar Industries is a global leader in the production of bulk and packaged explosives. In 2010, the company entered the defense sector and diversified its operations into two major segments: explosive for industrial use and military hardware. The company has also formed a partnership with the Indian Space Research Organization, which will help the company's ammunition business grow. It has also put 14.7 crore into Skyroot Aerospace. Let's take a look at Solar Industries Limited key financial ratio. Market cap 21,776 crore. EPS 40.3. ROCE 19.8%. Debt to equity 0.53. Stock PE 59.8. ROE 18.6%. Dividend yield 0.25%. Total debt 900 crores. Promoter holding 73.2%. Next company, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, is the Indian Air Force backbone. It produces cutting-edge technology such as lightweight fighter aircraft and helicopters. Aside from manufacturing, it can also repair this machine. This makes it the only Indian company that specializes not only aircraft manufacturing but also in equipment repair. The company was ranked 45th in the world top 100 defense companies. Hindustan Aeronautics, like BEL, is a debt-free organization. Let us examine Hindustan Aeronautics Limited key finance ratio. Market cap 47,945 crore. EPS 108 rupees. ROCE 26.2%. Debt to equity 0. Stock PE 13.3. ROE 22.6%. Dividend yield 2.84%. Total debt 6.31 crore. Promoter holding 75.2%. Next company is MTAR Technologies. MTAR is a new stock listing on the Indian Stock Exchange in 2022. The company was founded in 1970. Since its inception, the nuclear segment has generated about 29% of the company's revenue. The space and defense segment has generated about 21%, and the clean energy business has generated 50%. The company produces a wide range of machine equipment, assemblies, sub-assemblies and spare parts for the energy, nuclear, space, aerospace, defense, other engineering industries. Following are some of the finance metrics of the company. Market cap 6,131 crore, EPS 19.2 rupees, book value 161 rupees, ROCE 19.2%. Debt to equity 0.11, stock PE 104, ROE 13.1%, dividend is 0.15%. Total debt 55 crores. Promoter holding 50.02.